right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this lovely Thursday. What a day we had yesterday. Oh my God, what a great rally. Unbelievable. I listen, we knew that they were going to raise rates, but did we ever anticipated that we were going to have a rally like that? It was like no matter listen, yesterday was a great swing trade day. I mean, everything that you had on a swing trade, you did great on. I mean, I just want to bring up the Dow and just show you what we got going on over here. I mean, when news came out, you could see right there we had a really, really nice pop. Just broke an all-time high on the Dow, on the S&P, broke an all-time high on the S&P. I mean, everything was just, it was a really good day trade yesterday, and it was a great swing trade. Now, I did a video on that. I don't know if everybody, hopefully everybody subscribed to our channel on our YouTube. Go out there, like us, friend us, go on that YouTube channel. If you follow Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is, X, whatever they call it, and also and Instagram. Also, click on that link. Watch the video I did on that breaking news. It's called Breaking News. Showed exactly how this whole thing came to fruition and stocks that we're looking at. And please go out there, share us, and like us. But those little mini trading videos that we're doing, I'm doing a lot more because the more some of you are here are not in the trading room and don't know what's really going on. But sometimes you want a little recap. It's always nice to have it. But anyway, let's get right into some of the stocks that did make some big moves. I mean, honestly, I don't even know where to start. I mean, it was just like the morning really sucked. It really did. And yesterday, I said that. I said, when we trade on the day of Fed rate, I said, listen, it's not always going to be the greatest day. So don't take it in a bad way, and it just literally, I was silent. I didn't really, Rich, Josh too, was sitting there talking like, I don't know. I'm looking around, shopping. I said, but afternoon came, bam. So anyway, let's go talk about some of those stocks that did make some nice moves. So CLSK, bring that up right there. That one had a really nice bounce. You know what I mean? Huge, huge bounce right there on CLSK. You could see that one. It was a nice move early in the morning. It went from like 16. And then right when news came out, you could see it went from like 18 all the way up to about $20. Really, really nice move. Probably was the best one out of them all. DKNG, another really nice move. Just broke all-time high. Josh has been such a huge fan, doing a swing trade on that DraftKings. DraftKings just doing fabulous. Great move that we had in November. The stock's been on the watch list. It's going back on the watch list. And listen, when you have a favorite stock that you like, you just kind of know the strategy behind it. Worked out great. Also, we had, and by the way, these were a bunch of stocks that, we've been watching. I'm going to go down the list of the Fabulous Sevens and all the brand names. Everything just like, just pick your weapon, right? But another one I just want to bring up, GOEV was also a nice little move early in the morning. This stock has been a really, really good short-term swing trade. You could see it how it was all the way down to the price around $1.30. It's almost at $4. It's up almost about 300% in the last couple of days. It's kind of a little difficult to day trade, though. It's a little bit more of a swing trade, but I'm putting it back on our watch list. Okay, because remember, we don't only day trade. We do swing trade. We do options trading here. We do a little bit of everything, but it all starts from day trading. And then if you understand the concept of day trading, then you'll know why you want to trade the swing trade on these stocks and everything else. Now, I'm just going to go down the list. Amazon, testing almost all-time highs right there. Doing great on that one on the swing trade. Eli Lilly took a little bit of a hit. Look at that slingshot. That was disgusting. I don't know what happened here. It just came down and came right back up. That was a good opportunity to buy it back. But that one, I'm just going down the list. This one, I didn't really care about this one. I had this stock as a swing trade. I got out of it. Nuvo, I still have that one. Mara came back a little bit. NVIDIA had a really big pop yesterday. Look at that big run on that NVIDIA. Coin came back. Huge run up on that one. AMD took a big hit. And then, it just goes on and on and on. I would keep an eye on AMD because NVIDIA made a really good comeback. And I know that AMD trades side by side with it. We also know that SMCI trades with it too. SMCI came up to some big support levels, got close to this 820. Remember, it was up to 1,200. That one did pretty well too. And remember, you don't have to trade too many shares of these stocks. You could trade a very small order of it. But I'm just going down the list. I mean, BA, I got that one. I wish I bought more of it. I should have scaled up on it, but to everyone here, I told you BA I went long on there. Big support levels back here at 177. Where was it? I mean, I was a little too late from the day before. You could see it here. I bought it a little bit right around here. I bought it the day before at 180. It did come back down to 177. I'm like, maybe I jumped in too soon, but it's okay. You know what? 180 to 190, I'll take that any day, right? So there's some great buying opportunities out there in the market. And like I said, I can just go down this list over and over. But let's turn the page because there are some other stocks that are moving this morning, and I want to keep an eye on it and see what happens. Oh, another one I wanted to bring up is the Apple trade. Now, if you watched my other YouTube video on the Apple trade, this one was great too, and it's on the YouTube channel on the shorts. But Apple had a great support levels here, so a lot of people were freaking out on this Apple trade right here, and it got right back close to pretty much that support levels. There was this at 170, there was this 500,000 share buyer out there. And please watch the videos, like it, friend it. I'm doing this for your not to just kind of not that you missed it. There's going to be so many of them. Every stock trades exactly the same. Okay. You got to follow the big orders. Stop focusing on these dumb indicators already. I keep seeing this all the time. People like, it's like a whoopee. You know what I mean? Like you got that security blanket. You learned it for so long. It's easier to follow the orders. But this was a great example on that one on Apple. Rich, maybe you could post that YouTube link in social media in the YouTube channel on Restream and also in the trading room, because it was a great trade. And you know what ended up happening? It popped up really nicely. Okay. And look where it went up to. Went to 177. So another really good move. Yeah, Bill, I mean, Netflix, we could go on and on and on. But you know what? If you have a favorite stock, it's all about following those orders. Now let's go back into the market, see what's moving this morning. We got a couple little cheapies that are moving this morning right here. So we got this this one little stock right here. Let me change the layout of the screen to book viewer. And where is here we go, right here. It's over here. So we got the stock Cavill, KAVL. All right, so I found this one. It's moving up pretty nicely. Good volume on it. Just so you can see it nice and clean. Cheap little stock, inexpensive. As orders go, not too crazy. I mean, not a lot of big iceberg orders. I'm not seeing a lot on level 4. It's got a little support levels here about 215. You know, you can see 10,000 share buyer out there. So it's been holding there. You can see right around that 215. So that one's not terrible. The KAVL. So keep an eye on that one. Another one that just came out of nowhere. This one just popped it just now all of a sudden. I didn't have this on the list. AMA. Remember, we have program trading. It kicks in at 9 a.m. And that's what happened here. AMTX. See how that one's working out. Got 7,000 share order. Tier size are really small, a lot of hundreds. Volume is about 1.1 million shares already traded. Not bad. ATMX, I'll throw that in the watch list. Kirk, I had this one over here. Let's see if it's got to go over here. Kirk, KIRK, another one. Not really that many orders. Looks like they're not trading here on NASDAQ. Looks like they're probably all in New York and some other exchanges. Let's see what Kirk is over here on level 4. All right, so this one, yeah, you can see it right here. So you got a big iceberg order showing up right there around 340. Okay, 8,000. You got 3,000 right here around 290. So remember, sometimes they trade on one exchange and sometimes they don't trade the other. So that's why it's nice to have, you know, a little bit of both. Micron Technologies, what's going on? Did they come out with earnings last night or something? Yeah, definitely came out earnings. You can always tell when you see that big spike. You know what's nice about this stock right here? Look at that gorgeous Fausto flag, right? Wow, that is beautiful. That's gorgeous. I love that one. That's really nice. Anyway, Micron Technologies breaking all-time highs. Listen, all these big chip companies are really are making benefiting off the AI business. I mean, you know, we're seeing more and more just show up. This one's way too expensive. What else we got? Oh, this one I found earlier. This is the one that this is the one from yesterday. We're going to put this back on the watch list also. This is one I piggyback from that one. Lace, not really. These are a little expensive. All right, now down past 5%. Losers. Any good shorts here? Any good bounce, dead cat bounces? Wow, PALT is just getting crushed. Could be getting close to support levels though, right around here. $150. We're almost there. We'll put this on the B list. Always looking for a dead cat bounce. All right. Eventually, program trading will kick in on that one. I saw this stock right here, LU. So LU, the problem with this one is one of the ETFs. So LU, it's kind of hovering right here. Looks like it kind of made its move early. Biggest New York Stock Exchange stock right here. Probably not going to get good orders. Oh, yeah, we do. We got a couple of good orders, 12,000, 15,000. 23,000 right here, 450. Okay, that kind of works. All right. Looks like that book viewer is going to work with us on that one. Stocks, obviously, we know why that market that's up because of the market. Any good losers here? No, nothing there. All right. So we got about 15 minutes. Anything we're missing, we not call out. Anything else? All right, really quick. I just want to remind everybody, big event today, 12 o'clock. I'm doing an open house. If you're watching on social media right now, we're going to post that link right up there. Please click on it. I'm going to teach everyone how to trade today's live markets, how we actually use level 3 and level 4. We do it every week. There's traders in here. You're more than welcome to come. We actually changed it up a little bit. I'm going to do an event today and tomorrow. It's going to be a 2-part event. So if some of you watch this late, you can watch the recording. We're going to do live trading on Friday. And I'm going to give everybody a quiz. We're going to do a little test. So if some of you here, we just came up with a new quiz, and I want to test your knowledge, see how you guys do, and see if you guys get it. And you know what? Better off getting wrong on a little easy quiz than doing it real money. What do you say, right? So we'll post that up. There's our link right there on the YouTube channel. It's just click on that registration. That's the lesson. Oh, it's for the boot camp at 12 o'clock. Is that the link, Rich? On YouTube? Just want to make sure. Is that the registration on our page? Okay, just making sure. All right. Oh, that's the one. You got the wrong one up there. Here we go. Lesson 1. Here we go. For everybody in social media, that's the one you want to click on right there. All right. Also, you got that little hyperlink on the top left-hand corner. You take your phone, you can scan that QR code and get in there. All right. So let's get ready. Market opens up in 15 minutes. Traders, you know the deal. You see something, you say something. If you're new here in the trading room, you're a trial member, don't be buying anything. You're only here to watch to see how traders think for themselves. We don't tell anybody what to buy and sell. You want to be able to think for yourself. That's why you're here, and see if they could do it, you could do it. And for everybody else on social media, I'll see you back here at 12 o'clock. Good luck, everybody. See you in about 15 minutes.